Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great. Myself, I'm doing fine. Welcome to Verified So. Now in today's video, I will show you how you correctly apply for the DV Lottery, the DV Lottery 2025 using only your phone. Remember in an earlier video, I showed you off the checklist what items you need for you to apply for the DV Lottery. So in this video, I will show you step by step how you fill the application form. Remember, the opening date for the period of the application is 4th of October 2023. Today is 17th of September. That means we have only 18 days to the application period. 18 days only. 4th of October, the period begins, and from that point on, you can fill your application and it will run through a whole month up to the first week of November. And note this, I will use the DV Lottery 2024 application to show you, but this is what you'll do exactly in the DV Lottery 2025. So I hope you've gotten ready, you've prepared the photos, you've prepared all the requirements. Remember, I told you it is very important that you have your birth certificate and those of your derivatives. It is not a mandatory requirement, but it is so helpful to help you fill the correct place of birth, the city of birth, the correct names of your derivatives together with your own as the main applicant. So it comes in handy. It helps you to fill in the correct information. So guys, I want to show you how to fill it using the phone. So pay attention, follow step by step, and you will fill it correctly. So let's get to it immediately.
So you visit your browser and you search for the dvprogram.state.gov. That is the official website for the application of the DV Lottery. And this is the page that you get. And we see we have the photo instructions, the entry instructions, but we are interested with the applying because I've discussed about the specification in earlier videos. When you click on the begin entry, the page will load, and here is what will appear. You put the captcha, that is CNE4A33, and you click submit. The page loads. It may take some moment, but you need to be patient. This is the page that you need. The part 1, personal information, and you can see we have all the details that you're supposed to fill in here. In this case, the applicant has only 2 names. That is the first name and the family name. If you have 3 names, make sure you insert the 3 names. But for this case, as the birth certificate shows, the applicant has only 2 names. Middle name does not apply. You select the gender and then you put your date of birth in here. It starts with the month, the day, and then the year. And then we come to the city where born. I said the name that appears on your birth certificate, regardless of whether it's a city or a village or anything else, so long as it's on the page. Then you select your country of birth. This one comes from Kenya. And then we come to the country of eligibility. You see, by default, this person claims the eligibility country as that of his birth. So we come to the photo session where you attach your photo. You click and search for the photo that you saved, the photo that meets the qualification. So you search for it, and there it is. You select it, and we come to the mailing address. Remember, I told you that you put the address that you live in currently. Then we come to the email address, and I said this is very important. When you are putting in your email, make sure that your email is valid and good, because through this email is where KCC will be communicating with you during the process. So you must be accurate with the email, and it must be valid. And then we come to the level of education. This guy reached high school. Then you come to the marital status. He is single, and then he has no children, and here's where you put 0 because you don't have any children. And a page will appear that will require you to confirm if the details that you entered, they are correct. After that page, and you've confirmed that the details are correct, then you click submit, and when you submit, this confirmation page appears. It has your confirmation number, and you are supposed to preserve this and also keep it till the results are out. That's only when you can use your confirmation number to check whether you are selected. Thank you guys. I wish you success in your application. Let's meet in the other video.